Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn on the voice on your Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, of course, I'm on a PC as you can see on my screen, and on PC it is not available. The reason for that is of course because a PC is a stationary platform. Of course, you might have a laptop, but you're not going to be looking at your laptop while you're walking, so there is no navigation options on the web version on the laptop. However, of course, there are navigation functions on the mobile devices. Now, for the mobile devices, you just need to go into Google Maps and you're going to need to check out the directions. You're going to select a location. Of course, you're going to need to have location services on, and you're going to need to enable your specific location so that you can find yourself on maps, and then you're going to select the destination where you want to go, and then you're going to press either directions or start, and if you start immediately, that's immediately going to take you into a GPS navigation system, and there you should have the settings and options to turn voice on. You should see a speaker which should show you guys exactly how you should do it. However, that depends on the platform. For my phone, for some reason I don't have that option, even though I should, which is confusing to me, but it is what it is. It might be in your profile options, if I'm mistaken, so you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top right, search through the settings, and there might be a setting for voice. However, other than that, that is pretty much all you can do. You can either have it on your navigation or in your profile settings, and you just need to turn it on from there. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.